नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 2nd Feb 2021. This channel is my journey in stock market, where in this specific video I review my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty, share my learnings and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. Today our trade plan for Nifty as well as for Bank Nifty was to buy on dip with clearly identified trend that both Nifty and Bank Nifty are in uptrend. So what I did today. Today I took a trade on Nifty. Although the trade plan was to buy on dip, today Nifty had a very strong gap up opening and it went rising up to R2 level and almost touch all-time high. From here, there was only one direction in which Nifty is going because this is the first touch after so many days on all-time high. And on the confirmation of this red bar, I went on 14,700 PE. And on this particular green bar, when it was coming closer to our magical blue line and closer to R1, I exited the position. I again made a mistake of re-entering on this green bar and exited on the next bar. Then Nifty consolidated for an entire afternoon, and in the second half of the day, Nifty started its uptrend. And as a strategy on buy on dip, I entered on this particular green bar and exited on this red bar with my trailing stop loss strategy of coming out on 8 bar moving average. So overall, a very positive day. Today was the first time that in single day I took a trade in both the direction, and that too in very narrow ranging day. If you want to know about my MTM, then please stick with me till end of the video. I did made good money today. So what's the learning? Learning for today is that once you exit out of your trade, wait for at least one 15-minute bar to finish to re-enter in the trade in the same direction. Second learning, always wait for a 15-minute bar to over to enter or exit the position. Now let's see what we have in our store. If you feel that my learning and my trading ideas are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas, then please like, share, and subscribe. Is only your like, share, and subscribe button which motivates me to come and make more of this video. You know how it feels, right? Now, if you're just talking to a screen, it's only when you communicate back the things gets very interesting. And what we have learned from this GameStop episode is that the stronger community can even give the biggest hedge fund a nightmare. So please like, share, and subscribe. So now let's see what we have in store for Nifty tomorrow. Before we get into Nifty, let's try to understand how the dollar index is doing. Excuse me. Okay, so dollar index is consecutively on the second day is going up. This is not a good sign for an emerging market like India. So it's very important for us to see how the global markets are opening up today. And Nifty is almost touching all-time high. After two strong day, I'll be not surprised if tomorrow we could see a profit booking. But in terms of a trend, Nifty has closed above 20, above 8, above 50, and above 200. So on daily basis, the trend is up. On 15-minute chart, Nifty has closed above 8, above 20, above 50, and above 200. So here also the trend is confirmed that the trend is up. So for tomorrow, what could happen? Tomorrow, one thing would happen is that Nifty has a gap up opening, but that opening is below 14,746. Now 14,750 is a strong resistance for Nifty. This is the magical line. If you want to know what are these magical line, then please check out my video named Trade Setup. You will find the details at the end of the video. So if Nifty is opening gap up below 14,746, then this will become a resistance. Then it's a good shot on the price reversal for a target closer to the pivot, because market is in strong uptrend. So for tomorrow, the Nifty pivot is 14,616, which is closer to the 20-day moving average. And from there, you may see a price reversal in upside again for a target of 14,793. So 14,750 is now sand on the line. If 14,750 is broken, then the next target on Nifty will be 15,000. But like our guru says, we are not here to predict the market. What we should know is when to enter and when to exit. Idea is लाला जी से पैसा कमाना है हमें, predict करके क्या फर्क पड़ता है. So another strategy is that we see a gap down, Nifty open flats, it comes down, and we enter at L3 and L4. So for tomorrow, our Camarilla L3 is at 14,576 and 14,503. So 14,576 and 14,503. 14,503. This is a good area where we can go for buy on dip for a target of 14,796. If for any reason Nifty is correcting, Nifty will definitely get a support at 14,500. This is also a blue line, which is a magical line. From here, the Nifty should see a reversal. So tomorrow, two strategy depending upon where the Nifty open. If it opens gap up below 14,750, then sell on rise, look for a price reversal for a target towards pivot. If we have a flat opening, then look for a correction in this zone somewhere closer to 14,500. Enter here with a price reversal for the target of 14,796. Now, in general, Nifty now has a very strong support at 14,500. 14,500, and after 14,500, the big support is at 14,000. So till the time Nifty is going below 14,000, the trend is up. So the strategy should be buy on dip in the direction of the trade. For a bank Nifty is looking much stronger than Nifty. Today also bank Nifty had a gap up opening and then almost consolidated it for the entire day. On daily chart, bank Nifty has closed above 20, above 50, above 8 and above 200-day moving average. So it is in uptrend. On 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has closed above 8, above 20, above 50 and above 200. So here also the trend is confirmed. It is in uptrend. So for tomorrow, for a Bank Nifty, the idea is buy on dip somewhere closer to pivot because the trend is very strong. So 34,260. If 34,260 is broken, then Camarilla support at 34,126 and 33,812. So in this area, we should look forward to enter Bank Nifty for a target of 35,000. So that's my trade plan for tomorrow. I hope this discussion has added value to your trading ideas for tomorrow. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. So last but not the least, today's MTM. So today my MTM for overall day is close to around 20,000 rupees. On Nifty, on the first trade I made 5,000, 4,700, and on second trade I made 6,180. So a second green day in Feb series. So far, so good. Idea here is not to make money. Idea here is to preserve the capital. I Thank you very much. Jai Hind.